everybody. This is a quick guide for a plugin error that you're probably going to get. A plugin error message in OBS if you want to switch a scene. I'm not going to do that because it's going to crash OBS. But if you want to switch a scene, you're often going to get this error message. And if you get this error message, it has something to do with a plugin of yours. To fix this, it is annoying and time-consuming, but not hard. That's the only good news. You have to go to your plugin folder, which is where you have OBS installed. For me, it's this PC, local data drive, and program files. It's probably going to be the same for you, for most people, I guess. But here is, and then OBS Studio, and here is the OBS plugin folder. 32-bit, 64-bit, depends on your system. For most people with a newer system, it should be 64-bit. And now you have to have all your plugins. What you now need to do is just take every single plugin, all of them, copy them, and put them in a folder. I have one called backup. And now go back into your 64-bit folder, uninstall every single plugin. I'm not going to do that, but you just uninstall every single plugin and then just go through the motions, basically. Make sure OBS is closed and just re-import every single one. So start with AJ, for example, for me. Take it, copy it, put it back into here, and then open OBS. See if you can switch the scene. If you can switch the scene, perfect. It's not the plugin that's causing a problem. Next plugin, Chrome. Take everything that has a Chrome ending, copy it, and put it into the 64-bit folder. And then open it again, switch scenes. If that's not causing problems, perfect. Also not the plugin that's causing problems. If you find a plugin that is causing a problem, for example, for me, it's this one, the vertical canvas one. It's just producing the error message I've just shown you. Just uninstall this plugin. Just press the delete key or whatever. Uninstall it. I can't do that because I have OBS running, obviously. But just uninstall it. Now you can just switch scenes again normally. And if I, for example, want to use this plugin, if I want to stream live on YouTube instead of Twitch, and I want to switch the scene, it's going to crash it if I have the plugin installed. I just uninstalled it, so now I switch to YouTube, close OBS again, reinstall the plugin. Unfortunately, you have to, every single time you switch a scene and want to use this particular plugin in it, you have to first uninstall it, switch scenes, and then reinstall it. Super annoying, but it's the only way that works. Reinstall the plugin, open OBS in the specific scene, for example, for me, live YouTube, and then just do your thing with the plugin, do whatever you want to do. And that's how you get rid of this bug. You have to do this until an update for this particular plugin is out, because often it's just, or most of the time, it's just that the plugin is not up to date for a specific OBS version. For example, we have OBS version 29.1.1 and it's just not updated to that version yet, so that's why it's causing trouble and why it's not working as intended. And if you found this video helpful, then please leave a like and a comment, and I'll see you on the next one.